Hi, welcome to the channel Quick Math. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. In today's session, we are going to find the odd and even numbers. What are odd and even numbers? Let us understand it through an example. If you see the first picture is containing some balloons. Now what we have to do with those balloons? We have to make pair of those balloons. So start making pair of those balloons. Pair means 2 makes a pair. So the first 2 balloons can make a pair, and in the same way the second 2 balloons also can make a pair, and the next 2 balloons also can make a pair. So let us count total how many balloons we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So total we have 6 balloons in the first picture. Now let us see the second picture which contains lollipops in that. So here also what we are doing? We are making pairs of those lollipops. So take the first 2 lollipops, we can make a pair, and the second 2 lollipops, we can make a pair. And if you see the next lollipop, it is not containing another lollipop which we cannot make a pair now. So let us make a pair. The first 2 lollipops and the next 2 lollipops and the last one which is not having a pair. So let us count total how many lollipops we have. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So total we have 5 lollipops, and the number 5 is not making a pair. The numbers which makes a pair are called even numbers. You see the number 6 makes a pair, so it is an even number. In the same way, if you see the second picture, the total lollipops are 5. It is not making a pair, so 5 is an odd number. So 6 is an even number and the 5 is an odd number. Now let us understand it. 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 are odd numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0 are even numbers. Even numbers always ends with the numbers 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, and the odd numbers always ends with the digits 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Now let us see the definition of even number. A number which is divisible by 2 are called even numbers. Suppose if you take a number and if you divide it by 2, if you get the remainder as 0, that number is an even number. It is a bit of long process. You can make it simple. If a number is having the digits 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in its units place, then those numbers are called even numbers, which is a quite bit simple, and we can tell the number whether it is an even number or not within seconds by seeing those digits in its units place. Now let us understand it. What is an odd number? If a number which is not divisible by 2 are called odd numbers, or to say simply, a number with digits 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9 in its units place are called odd numbers. No need of doing any division to check whether it is an odd number or not. Simply check these digits are there in its units place or not. If the digits are in units place, then it is an odd number. Now let us identify the numbers whether those are odd or even. If you check the numbers, the first one is 67, and in the 67, if you check the units place of this number, it is having 7. So 7 is in its units place. So 67 is an odd number because the 7 is an odd number. The numbers already we said with 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9 in its units place those numbers are called odd numbers. So 67 is a now odd number. Now, if you check the number 70, 70 is an even. If you check the digit, it is containing 0, which is an even number. If you see 765, the last digit of this unit's place is 5. So, 5 is an odd number. So, 765 is an odd number. We are not at all checking the full number. Just see the last unit's place and check whether it is an odd number or not. In the same way, if you see the number 1986, 6 is an even number. So, the number 1986 or 1986 is an even number. In this way, we can say whether the given numbers are odd numbers or even numbers just by checking the units place of those numbers. Now, let us see the practice session. Here we have some practice session. Practice and tell whether you are thorough with the examples. And the numbers here we have 64, 8687, 7773, 989. And find out whether those numbers are odd or even. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe, and let me know in the comment section if you have any doubts. Thank you for watching the video.